I am in the GitHub repository. Let me show you how we can translate the index reference. For do this, we go to use this script. Let me download the English InDesign file used for testing. And let me show you also how you can apply in the code, okay, in the JavaScript code, your custom translation. Here, like you can see, wisdom in Spanish means sabiduría. Then simple, you need to translate this word in your French, German, or whatever language. Okay, if you need to add some new translation, simple, you do this, and you copy and paste here your own translation. Okay, let me show you in action this script. Like you can see, okay, everything is in English, but after run this script, everything is in Spanish. Okay, in this case, we need to apply again. Okay, 2 times. And when I open, you can see how wisdom now is in Spanish sabiduría.